Hey, Sarah and Mike. This is Denisha Wiggins with my business, Sell Connect Marketing. And first and foremost, I definitely want to thank you guys for giving me the opportunity to show you what I could possibly do for your business. And I've been looking through your page, and I definitely want to say that I love your mission. It really enlightens me that you guys employ our young men to promote positive change in our community. I definitely applaud you guys for that, for sure. So basically, this is a video analysis of your website, and I'm going to go over three things that brings more customers to your business. The things I'm going to go over are content, backlinks, and citations. And at the end of the video, if you like the information I'm giving you guys, you can reach back out to me and we can see how I could further help you and possibly partner with you. And if you don't care for the information, then you can just say no thank you and keep it as free information. Okay? All right, so we're going to dive in. So the first thing I want to talk to you guys about is something called content. Usually Google likes to see between 1,500 and 2,000 words of content on the home page. And let me just make sure I put you guys in here. You guys have 600 words. It's below. It's below. And these guys are your competition. Yards by us. What I did, I went into Google and typed in long hair Winston-Salem, and all these businesses on the home page are pretty much directories. Oh, wait a minute. Let me go back. I'm on the second page. Yeah, here we go. So we're still here, long hair Winston-Salem. So all of these on the first page are directories. Angie's List, Expertise, Lawn Started, that's even a directory. So if we go to the second page where I was at, the first local business here in Winston-Salem, like you guys are, is Yards by Us. So that they are your competition. And I put their page, let me make sure I'm on home page. I put their information onto in my word counter as well. So you guys had 600, they have 572, which is not a big difference at all. But that would be easy to beat them because all we have to do is make sure you guys have between 1,500 and 2,000 words onto your web page, and that's kind of what helps Google see you guys as authority when you have content on your homepage. And you, besides content on your page, you also want to make sure you guys have, let's see, yep, right here, keywords. So a keyword is anything that someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or a product. So if we go over here to Google, let me just refresh it. If we go into Google and type in lawn care Winston-Salem, you guys don't pop up, right? Your page doesn't pop up first. So that would be a keyword that you guys would want on your website. And we can also see up here the volume is 210. That's 210 people that are searching for lawn care in Winston-Salem, right? And I also noticed that you guys are not servicing Greensboro. If I'm not mistaken, Greensboro has more people looking for lawn care than in Winston-Salem. Let's see. Yeah, 260. So that would be the 210 plus 260 that you guys, 260 more people that you guys could be, customers that you guys could be having just by being ranked here at the top. Greensboro might be somewhere you guys could look into next. But yeah, going back, overall with content, you guys want to make sure that you have between 1,500 and 2,000 words on your homepage, and you also want to make sure you have specific keywords on your page as well. So the next important thing I wanted to go over with you guys is something called backlinks. And a backlink is anywhere where you find someone's web page linking back to your site. And this is pretty much like a popularity contest in Google's eyes. But not all backlinks are equal. So for example, you don't want a pizza place a pizza place linking back to your page saying, hey, this is the best lawn care service, because that's not relevant. You want relevant pages to your industry, which is lawn care, So I'm going to go over and show you guys a tool that I use called Ahrefs. I pay $400 a month for this, but I use it to get a lot of information for someone's website, and I use it to help me keep up with competition. And you guys can use this as well. So we're looking at your business, and we see that you guys don't have any backlinks, and you don't have any referring domains. And the backlinks are pretty much just links within your website, linking to each other's pages, and referring domains are websites that are linking to your website. Okay, so actual links from other sites that are linking back to yours. So you guys don't have any, but this is your competition, Yards by Us, and they have 60 backlinks within their individual page, within their individual site, and they have 21 referring domains, meaning 21 other pages linking back to theirs saying, hey, these guys are a great lawn care service. You guys should go to them. Here's their information. Here's their link, So yeah, and also we can go into here and look at exactly what pages are linking back to theirs. Let's see. Okay, Owler, top rated local, that's a good one as well. Contractors Up, that's a great one. Remember I talked about it being relevant to the industry. So yeah, you guys get the point. Basically, it's like a popularity contest. The site with the most backlinks and the most relevant backlinks wins. The third important thing that I wanted to share with you guys is something called citations. Let me pull up Google here. Let me go back to Winston. We are in Winston. Okay. So this is something called the map pack. This is where your Google business profiles live, and this is the first thing that people see when they type in a service into Google. So a citation is anywhere where let me go into this. So a citation is anywhere your business name, address, and phone number is shown directly as it is here on the Google Business Profile, right? And basically you can submit your citations into directories like Yelp, BBB, Angie's List, Expertise. You can even post them on social media as well. And having more posted is how you get higher in the map pack. And there's other factors as well to how you get ranked, like having the most 5-star reviews, right? Or having more photos than your competition. I'm going to go over here to show you guys your competition when it comes to citations. So here you guys are, Hope Lawn Care. You guys have 6 citations. And Triad Weed Free of Winston-Salem. I'm just going to go back and confirm that that's them. Lawn Care Winston-Salem. These are the citations. This is an ad. So yeah, Triad Weed Free are the first ones in the map pack. So yeah, they have 22 citations, and we can see, we can go in and see which sites they are posted on. They have their citations posted on. And 22 is definitely a beatable area because what we could do, um, we can go into the competition and submit your citation to these same directories here and even more, to make sure that we're staying ahead of them. So having a lot of citations in the map pack is what gets you ranked, is what gets you, in the map pack, gets you the revenue. Well, they have yellow place. That's a great one. See, look, expertise, BBB. They have some good ones here. But yeah, let me see. I believe you guys are, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yep, you guys are 9. And that's missing out on a bunch of clients that only, when they're looking for a service, they only go to the first few ones. All right, so you guys are missing out on a bunch of people that only click on the first few businesses. So yeah, I feel like citations are definitely the most important because that's the first thing that people see when they type in a service, besides the ads. That's the first thing that people see when they're looking into a service. So yeah, the 3 things that I went over with you guys, the idea behind those things is that your brand is getting found by Google because Google is constantly searching the internet, and the larger your online presence is, the more Google trusts you, so the more you'll rank, right? So that's what I wanted to share with you guys. Again, we looked at content. That's the 1,500 to 2,000 words and specific keywords thrown in there. We also looked at backlinks. That's the Google popularity contest I was telling you guys about, where you have more pages linking back to yours so that you could win, right? And then you also want to make sure you have citations. That's your business name, address, and phone number listed so that you can list it into directory so that you can get your business ranking in the map pack and start bringing in more leads. So yeah, this is, excuse me, this is generally what I do. I hope that you guys found it helpful, and if you did, feel free to reach back out to me and we can discuss more. Again, my name is Denisha Wiggins. I'm the owner of Excel Connect Marketing, and I hope you guys have a good rest of your day. All right, I will talk to you guys later.